Hey, what's going on? I'm just out here kicking it at the base camp. Today I'm going to be trying some of these hot and spicy ramen noodles. Woo! This is a brand called Nissin. No added MSG, hot and spicy Fire Wok, molten chili chicken. Now it doesn't say 2X on it, but something about this is telling me that it's a little bit more than just your average spicy bowl of noodles. Right here it says, take the challenge fiery chicken noodles coated with a spicy yet tangy Korean chili pepper sauce that builds the heat with every bite. Now I love spicy hot food, so let's go ahead and get into this and see what it's all about. Got the packet of fire sauce, I guess the seasoning, some other little bells and whistles. I'm not a big fan of cooking stuff inside these bowls, so we're going to cook it in the pot. We'll mix a little fatwood chips in there with it too, give it some extra flavor. So what I want to do is I'm going to use this to measure the amount of water. Up to the fill line there. Alright, we're boiling, I believe. Oh yeah. Man, this fire is hot. Had to move away, I'm losing all my goodies. Oh, we're just making a big mess. Good gracious, look at that. That just looks hot. Well, I'm looking forward to this. Let them cool down just for a little bit. They're still hot, piping hot. They smell good. It's a good flavor. So far it's heat hot more than anything. There it goes. Now that hotness is about to kick in. It's kind of got like a ghost pepper flavor to it a little bit. Oh yeah. Sweating already. I'm going to finish these off. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, keep it spicy.